esweni ngaphaka anangingenza noma yini uzuhlala uhappy mama we.
The South African music scene has been abuzz with the emergence of two talented artists, Mdudzi Ncube and Ndlunkulu. While they may come from different musical backgrounds, both artists have managed to captivate audiences with their unique sounds, styles, and stories. Mdudzi Ncube's musical journey began in the rural areas of KwaZulu-Natal, where he grew up surrounded by the rich cultural heritage of traditional Zulu music. His early exposure to maskandi and gospel music would later influence his distinctive sound, which blends elements of Afropop, soul, and R&B. With his soulful voice and heartfelt lyrics, Mdudzi has managed to connect with listeners on a deeper level, sharing stories of love, hope, and resilience. On the other hand, Ndlunkulu's rise to fame has been nothing short of phenomenal. Her debut single Tituba catapulted her to stardom, earning her spot on the coveted South African music charts. Ndlunkulu's music is a testament to her versatility and creativity, seamlessly fusing Afropop, R&B, and traditional South African sounds. Her powerful vocals, energetic live performances, and inspiring lyrics have endeared her to fans across the country. Despite their differing backgrounds and styles, both Mdudzi and Ndlunkulu share a common thread, passion for storytelling through music. Their songs often touch on themes of love, relationships, and everyday life, making their music relatable and authentic. This ability to connect with listeners on a personal level has contributed significantly to their success, as fans resonate with the emotions, struggles, and triumphs expressed in their music. The impact of Mdudzi and Ndlunkulu's music extends beyond the realm of entertainment, as they both use their platforms to promote social awareness and empowerment. Mdudzi's music often addresses issues of social justice, encouraging listeners to reflect on their roles in creating positive change. Similarly, Ndlunkulu's lyrics frequently touch on themes of self-love, self-acceptance, and female empowerment, inspiring young women to embrace their individuality and pursue their dreams. In conclusion, Mdudzi Ncube and Ndlunkulu are two talented artists who are making significant contributions to the South African music scene. Their unique sounds, styles, and stories have captivated audiences, and their passion for storytelling through music has endeared them to fans across the country. As they continue to grow and evolve as artists, it will be exciting to see how they use their platforms to promote social awareness, empowerment, and positive change. Here is a snippet of their new upcoming song titled Ngeke Ngimyeke.
anangingenza noma yini uzuhlala uhappy mama we.
Ngeke ngimyeke lona ngowami ngimthanda ngempela ngithanda yena futhi ngizizwa ngihappy mangihleli nawe yazidala ngikutele wemama esala ngicela uvula amasango isinge yami leyo mbali ngelosi yami angisikhathele yena futhi ngimyeke udala noma kumizulu ngithanda yena.
Ngeke ngimyeke ngiyohlala naye ebuhleni nasempini emini nasekuseni lona ngeke ngimyeke noma bengathi undlesile udala intando yakho uyifake kahle ngeke ngimyeke ngamane ehlale kanjena nodala lona ngimfile enhlizweni ngaphaka anangingenza noma yini uzuhlala uhappy.
Ngizizwa ngihappy mangihleli nawe yazidala ngikutele wemama esala ngicela uvula amasango isinge yami leyo mbali ngelosi yami angisikhathele yena futhi ngimyeke udala noma kumizulu ngithanda